So like this morning, my wife told me she wanted to watch a show called Center. It was on Netflix. She had an account, so I thought, why not? I decided to watch the first episode with her, and I really liked it. So I ended up watching the whole season in one go. It took more than 8 hours to finish. And then Netflix recommended another show called Suriname. I ended up watching that too for another 6 hours.
Was it fun?
It was really fun. It was really fun, and
You spent 14 hours, right? You spent 14 hours to finish two series. Weren't you tired?
Yeah?
You didn't feel tired? Did you feel tired?
I totally feel tired. And now I totally get why Netflix is number one.